Okay, dear students, we are in Ncert class 12 mathematics chapter integrals. Okay, in the last class we have seen properties of definite integrals. Okay, 9 properties we have seen, and based on those properties, let us try to solve some questions. We will try to solve at least 7 questions. Why? Because 3 days I want to complete this exercise 7 plus 7 plus 7. Like, let us try. If not possible, at least 5 questions we are going to solve. Okay. See what they have given. First question. Question number 1, exercise 7.11. So how to find the definite integral? That means final value how to find. 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Okay. How to solve this? See, if limits are not there means in generalized way we will solve in different way. But now they have given limits. Then we know one property. What is that property I am writing here? Based on that property we will draw this. Okay. See, first let us take this one as I. I is equal to this one I have taken. This is one I. Another I also going to come and we will add this. Okay. See how I am going to solve. Okay. See, one formula we know. What is that formula? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to, again 0 to a only, but this time a minus x dx. Is it correct? First you see. Why? Because see, if at all here 0 is not there, a and b are there. See, first we have started formula like this. A to b f of x dx is equal to, again here also a to b only. That means limits we are not changing. But here what we are doing? A plus b minus x. A plus b minus x. We were taking. This formula you know na? Based on this formula only 0 to a f of x dx has become 0 plus a minus x. 0 plus a means a minus x dx. Now also you see here 0 plus pi by 2 minus x. Okay? Why? Because pi by 2 minus x means we are going to get to cos, sine. Okay? See what I am doing now. As per this formula, shall I write I is equal like this? 0 to pi by 2 only. But in place of cos, in place of x I am writing pi by 2 minus x whole square. Why? Because the square is whole square. Now I am not keeping square here. Here only I am keeping. Why? Because you have to understand something like, okay, dx. First of all, is this correct or not? You tell me. Correct only. Why? Because see, 0 plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus x. Okay. But we know cos pi by 2 minus x is plus sine x. Write down. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine pi by 2, sorry, not pi by 2, sine x, that's all. Why? Because cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. Sine 90 minus theta, cos theta. Okay? Both are plus. Sine x, but see this square now I can write here. Square x dx. Sine square x dx. Okay? This is also I only. Is this okay? Okay. That means I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Now what I want to do, I want to add both of these. You see what I am doing? I plus I. 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Sine square x plus cos square x dx. Sine square x plus cos square x dx. Is it okay? Definitely okay. This is not x, this is not I, this is 2i. I plus I. Integrals we have added, that's all, sine square x. But we know sine square x plus cos square is equal to 1. One dx you write or don't write, okay. Integral dx. What is the value here? That means, see, x will be the value, but limits are 0 to pi by 2. Okay. See, we are doing 2a, don't forget 2a value we are getting. Okay. Then you substitute, apply the limits, pi by 2 minus 0, that is equal to pi by 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. See, this is pi by 2, 2i value. What about I? I is equal to pi by 4. 2 goes denominator. This is the value for this question. You understand? How this formula we have applied here, you observe carefully. Why? Because the same formula we are going to apply it for remaining 3 questions also. First, second, third, fourth, all 4 questions are based on this formula only. Like that only we are getting answer. Okay. Take this, we will go for second question. See the second question. Integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x divided by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. Okay. See this formula, same formula I am applying again here. 0 to pi by 2 means what we are going to do. See, integral 0 to a f of x dx is equivalent to integral 0 to a only, but f of a minus x, by 0 plus a minus x dx. Okay. Based on this formula, I am converting again. See, before that, I want to take this as I. Okay. That is equal to another I we are going to get. You see what I am writing? 0 to pi by 2 only. Okay. Okay. But sin of pi by 2 minus x. Okay. Wherever x is there, there only how to change it. Okay. Divided by again sin of pi by 2 minus x under root plus cos of pi by 2 minus x under root. Okay. Dx. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because see, we can write this process like this based on that property. Property we can say rather than formula, we say property. Okay. Okay. See, again sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. You change this accordingly. 0 to pi by 2 will come here. Okay. And this is cos x square root. Again this is also cos x square root plus this is sin x square root dx. Okay. Now this is also I only. Why? Because this only we have changed it like this. That means I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x to square root of sin x square root of cos x. Again I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 square root of cos x divided by square root of cos x plus sin x. If you observe carefully, denominators are both same. Sin x plus cos x plus sin x plus cos, both are same. Okay. Now if you add these two, 2i it is going to become 2i is square root of sin x plus square root of cos x in numerator. Why? Because LCM is same. Okay. Denominator will be same. Then it is going to, what we can say, cancel out each other. Okay. Like that we can proceed. Write down 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Directly I am writing. Okay. Sin x under root plus cos x under root divided by again sin x cos x under root. Sin x under root plus cos x under root but dx. Is it okay? Definitely okay. 2i value. Why? Because LCM same can add integrals. Okay. Now see, both are going to get cancelled out each other. That means integral dx. 0 to pi by 2 integral dx. Integral 1 dx or integral dx, both are same. What is the value? That is equal to x, but you apply limit also. 0 to pi by 2. That is equal to pi by 2. Why? Because one step I have jumped pi by 2 minus 0 I have to write. I have not written. Why? Because you know very well, x if you apply 0 minus 0, nothing is going to change. Okay. Now see, this is the value of 2i. Then what is the value of I? I is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Take this, we also go for third and fourth, same questions. Third, fourth also. We will go for third question. See, third question, this is also same type earlier 2 questions only. I am not writing the formula, directly we can make it without formula. Why? Because 2 times I have seen that formula. 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 3 by 2x, sin to the power of 3 by 2x, cos to the power of 3 by 2x. Okay. See, after these 4 questions we can analyze something. Why? Because when sin and cos will come, this property you have to use very often. Okay. That you have to understand. See what is there here. This you take as I. Okay. Again this you can modify like this. Why? Because 0 plus pi by 2 minus x. 0 to pi by 2 sin of pi by 2 minus x whole power 3 by 2 divided by again sin of pi by 2 minus x whole power 3 by 2, okay, plus cos of pi by 2 minus x but whole power 3 by 2 dx. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because see, this property 0 plus a plus b minus x, a plus b pi by 2 minus x we have given, okay. But we know very well sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta means sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Then we are applying that property, that formula here, okay. You see that is equal to 0 to pi by 2, okay. Sin 90 minus cos power 3 by 2 x divided by, this is also cos power 3 by 2 x plus cos 90 minus theta sin 3 by 2 x dx, okay. This is what, this is also I. Why? Because we have not changed it, both are I only. Then 2i is equal to, write down, 2i is equal to, see numerator sin cos you have to add, denominators are both same. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 3 by 2x plus cos to the power of 3 by 2x divided by sin to the power of 3 by 2x cos to the power of 3 by 2x. Why? Because LCM are same, okay. Because LCM same, we can add same LCM, again you have to write cos to the power of 3 by 2x plus sin to the power of 3 by 2x dx. If you observe carefully, numerator denominator both are same. Plus is there, that is why it is same, okay. Sin plus cos, cos plus sin, both are same. Same power is there, 2 by 3 by 2, 3 by 2 like, okay. Now this value is going to come as 1, okay. 2i is equal to, write down, 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. 1 dx, that is going to come dx, that is equal to, value is x but limit is from 0 to pi by 2, the value is x, sorry, pi by 2. Pi by 2. Why? Because pi by 2 minus 0 will come, pi by 2 I have written directly, okay. See, this is the value for 2i. What about I? I is equal to pi by 4. You understand? Take this, we will go for fourth question. Okay, see, 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power of 5x divided by cos to the power of 5x plus sin to the power of 5x dx. This is also same formula we can apply. Why? Because cos sin combination have come. That is why what I am doing, I am converting it as, I am taking it as I. Okay. See what I am doing. 0 plus pi by 2 minus x as earlier. Okay, write down. 0 to pi by 2. Again we are going to convert this into cos into sin, sin into cos. That formula we are going to use. 0 plus pi by 2 minus x. Okay. Let us take, we have taken this as I. Let us proceed further. Okay. See, 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 2 minus x whole to the power of 5 divided by cos of, again same, cos of pi by 2 minus x whole to the power of 5 plus sin of pi by 2 minus x whole to the power of 5 dx. Okay. How this property 0 plus pi by 2 minus x, 0 plus pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2 minus x, we can apply this property. Okay. If you apply that property, what is going to happen? Cos is going to become sin, sin is going to become cos. Write down. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x to the power of 5 divided by sin to the power of 5x plus cos x to the power of 5 dx. Okay. Sin is going to become cos, cos is going to become sin like. Okay. This is also what? This is also I. Okay. This is also I. Okay. Now you see, I is equal to sin to the power of 5x by sin to the power of 5x plus cos x. I is equal to cos to the power of 5x by cos to the power of 5x plus sin x. Both are there. I. That means I am going to take 2i. 2i is equal to, I am adding y because LCM is same for both. Sin power x, cos power x are going to become addition. Okay. See, 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 5x plus cos to the power of 5x whole divided by, again denominator also same, cos to the power of 5x plus sine to the power of 5x dx. Is it okay? Definitely okay. But this is 2i, not I. Okay? That you keep in our mind. Okay. If that is the case, numerator, denominator both are going to get cancel each other. Then 1 dx. Okay? 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. Dx or 1 dx both are same. That is why I have not written 1. What is the value? That is equal to x, but you have to apply limits 0 to pi by 2. Once you apply limit, this value is going to become pi by 2. Why? Because pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. This is the value of 2i. Then what is the value of I? I is equal to pi by 4. You understand this? Okay? Okay. Let us proceed for fifth question. See, integral minus 5 to 5, minus 5 to plus 5, modulus of x plus 2 dx. Observe carefully here, modulus is there. We have to follow some procedure here. You observe carefully what procedure I am following, and like that only you have to do. Even sixth question also based on this modulus only. Okay. Let us see how we are going to do this, deal this question. Okay. See, interval here minus 5 to 5 they have given. Normally without this, if any f of x is there, normally we will consider minus 5 to 0, 0 to 5 like we think in our mind. But here if you observe carefully, besides the x, plus 2 or minus 2 is there. Anything, plus 2 is there. Okay. You see here, 0 will be okay, but when it is coming 0, if you give here minus 2, then it is going to become 0. That means you have to give the limit. Like, you see what I am doing. Interval is there from minus 5 to plus 5. Okay, see, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0. Again, see, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are closed intervals only you have to take. Okay. See here, plus 2 is there. If you apply minus 2, this is going to become 0. Afterwards, it is going to become positive. Okay? That means you have to apply limit from minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to plus 5. Okay? Like that we are thinking. But even then, we will let us try. See, let f of x is equal to modulus of x plus 2. Sorry, not modulus of x plus 2. Without modulus, you have to take this f of x. Let that. Okay, see, we are actually f of x is entire modulus is there, but temporarily we have considered only without modulus x plus 2. Okay, you see, limit is from minus 5 to 5, but what I am doing, when x belongs to minus 5 to minus 2 only I am taking. Closed interval both. Minus 5 also I have to take, minus 2 also I have to take. I am not taking up to plus 5. Observe carefully what is happening here. Okay, then f of x, f of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus 2, that is equal to minus 3. This is less than 0. Okay? Now, f of minus 2 if I take, minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. That means equal to 0. Equal to 0. See what is happening here. In between minus 5 to minus 2, anything if you take, f of say minus 3, this is in between 5 and 2 only. Because 5, 4, 3, 2, minus 1 will come. Okay, 5, 4, 3, afterwards 2 will come. 3 also. What is happening? Minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to minus 1. This is less than 0. What do you understand here? That means, see, when x belongs to minus 5 to minus 2 closed interval, then f of x is less than or equal to 0. Why? Because less than 0 equal to 0. Okay? That means if f of x is less than 0, I am going to take this as without modulus minus I am going to take. Why? Because anyway I have to make plus it. It is I want to make it as a plus. If you apply modulus, automatically it is going to come plus. If you remove this automatically, what was there? Minus was there. Minus is going to become plus. That means if you remove modulus, automatically minus you have to apply. You understand now? Okay. This is case for minus 5 to minus 2. Okay. Now you come back again. After minus 5, minus 2 to plus 5. Why? Because minus 5 to plus 5 only you have to take interval. Minus 5 to minus 2 over. Now you have to take from minus 2 to plus 5. Okay, see what I am writing. When x belongs to minus 2 to plus 5, then what is the f of x? F of x is equal to x plus 2, that is equal to, first I will take minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay. Next I will take after minus 2, let me take 0. 0 plus 2, that is equal to 2. This is greater than 0. Then you take 5 also. 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7, greater than 0. What you understand? When x belongs to minus 2 to plus 5, this interval f of x is greater than or equal to 0. That means less than 0 will not come here. That means directly without mode also you can take plus. That concept you have to understand. Okay? Now see how I am writing this. I am applying limits. See how I am applying. That is equal to integral minus 5 to minus 2. But you take minus x plus 2. Okay? X plus 2 dx. You understand why they have taken minus? Because it is less than or equal to 0. That is why I have taken minus. Okay? Then afterwards integral minus 2 to 5. Why? Because minus 5 to minus 2 over. Now minus 2 to 5. Lower limit to upper limit it has to match. Minus 5 to plus 5 it has to match. Minus 2 to minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to plus 5. Okay. F of x is what? Greater than 0. That means you apply plus. Then same again you write x plus 2 dx. You understand this? See, if any mode comes means like this only you have to take. You have to split the intervals. Okay. Now you can proceed further. Minus is there, you keep it minus x square by 2 plus 2x minus 5 to minus 2. Okay? Again plus, this is plus. Same will come, x square by 2 plus 2x. But here minus 2 to plus 5. Okay? See, up to here okay, but now this calculation will take much time. Let me do the calculation. Okay? See what I am doing. That is equal to minus of minus 2 square by 2. See, directly I am writing. Minus 2 square means 4. 4 by 2. Let me write at least 4 by 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Shall I write minus 4? This is upper limit minus lower limit. Minus 5 square 25 by 2 plus 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Minus 10. Close. This is lower limit. Okay? This side is over, but outside minus is there. Take care. Plus upper limit 5 square 25 by 2 plus 2 into 5 10. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Minus 2 square 4 by 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Close. Okay? This will be the what we can say figures we have to apply. Okay, now you see 4 by 2 is 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Okay, write down. Shall I write down here? 2 minus 4 minus 2. See here 25 minus 20. 5. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Okay, close. Plus 25 by 2 plus 10. 25 plus 20. 45 by 2. 45 by 2 minus 4 by 2 is 2. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. Okay? See, minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 by 2. Minus of minus 9 by 2. Is it okay? Minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 by 2, but outside minus is there. Okay, this minus is for this only. Plus 9 by 2. Okay, here also you see 45 plus 4, 49 by 2 plus 49 by 2, that is equal to 58 by 2, that is equal to 29. Is it okay? 49 plus 9, 58. 58 divided by 2. LCM is 2 there. 2 2s, 18, 2 9s, 29. 29 will be the answer for your this fifth question. Take this, we will go for sixth question. Okay? Okay. See the sixth question. Integral 2 to 8 modulus of x minus 5 dx. See here, logically if you think both limits are positive limits only. But if you observe carefully, this modulus is there, minus 5 is there. That means you see from 2 to 5, one limit, from 5 to 8, another limit you have to take. Basically, by virtue of experience, we have got 2 to 5 gives minus, 5 to 8 gives plus. Why? Because 5 to 8 means 6 minus 5, 1. Positive will come. Okay? And 2 to 5. See, 2 means minus 3 will come. 2 minus 5 minus 3. That means minus you have to keep. By virtue of experience, again I am writing directly. Okay? We did not explain, I did not give much explanation like earlier question. Earlier question, if you have watched it carefully, then you can do this question easily. See what I am doing. That is equal to integral 2 to 5. 2 to 5 x minus 5, but outside minus you keep, dx, again 5 to 8, 5 to 8, but outside you keep plus. Why? Because plus is going to come, x minus 5 dx. You understand this, how it has come under limits? Okay, x minus 5 from 2 to 5, this is going to make you negative value. From 5 to 8, x minus 5 is going to give positive value. That is why we have given positive, negative accordingly. Okay. Now proceed. Now proceed further. Right now, that means you see that is equal to minus of x square by 2 minus 5x. X square by 2 minus 5x integral. Okay. Now apply 2 to 5 plus again same x square by 2 minus 5x. This time you are applying 5 to 8. Okay. Here minus is there, here plus is there outside. That you keep very carefully. Okay. Okay. Proceed further. Apply upper limit, lower limit like that. Minus you keep 5 square 25 by 2 minus 5 into 5 25. Okay. Oh no, this is upper limit only. Better I write down. Why? Because this is going to take much space. Much space. Okay, see, that is equal to minus of 25 by 2. Okay. Minus 5 into 5, 25. Okay. Upper limit minus, lower limit 2. 2 square by 2, 4 by 2. Okay. Minus 10. Okay, close. Upper limit is over. See, this limit is over plus 8 square 64 by 2 minus 5 into 8 40 minus 5 square 25 by 2 minus 5 into 5 25. Okay. Now limits have applied. We did not write any limits in the bracket. Okay. Now, okay, let us go. You see, 25 minus 25 by 2 means 25 by 2 will come. But 25 by 2 minus 25 means minus 25 by 2 will come. Minus 25 by 2. Minus 25 by 2. This limit. Minus 4 by 2 means 2. 2 minus 10. Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus of minus 8. Plus 8. Close. Plus 64 by 2, 32. 32 minus 40, minus 8. Minus 8. Minus. Again, 25 by 2, minus 25. Minus 25 by 2. Okay? Minus of minus plus 25 by 2. That is equal to. See here, minus 25 plus 16. minus 9. Minus 9 by 2, but outside minus is there. Plus 9 by 2. This case is over. Plus minus 16 plus 25. Plus 9. Plus 9 by 2. Outside also plus is there. Plus 9 by 2. That's all. Plus 9 by 2. That means the LCM is 2. 9 plus 9, 18 by 2. That is equal to 9. The answer will be 9 for your 6th question. Take this, we will go for 7th question. Okay. See 7th question. Integral 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole to the power of n dx. See here n is how much we don't know. That you keep in your mind. That too they are asking definite integral. See, I don't say it is very easy, but it is not very tough also. Let us try. See, such questions comes means normally what we are going to do? We are going to substitute. Here what to be taken what? By virtue of our experience, we will take 1 minus x as t. 1 minus x as t. Okay? Let us try. See what I am doing. Let 1 minus x is equal to t. T is equal to 1 minus x. This one. That means t power n we are going to write. Okay, that is okay. But here x is there. What about x? X is equal to 1 minus t. T if goes that side, x will come this side. Positive. X positive, t negative, 1 minus t. Okay. But what about dx? X is equal to 1 minus t means dx will be minus dt. Minus dt. Dx is equal to minus dt. Do you have any doubt? Why? Because see, dt by dx is equal to d by dx of this one. This minus 1 will come here, dx will go that side. dt will be there. Minus. Or else you send minus this side. Dx is equal to minus dt. That is also over. See here, x value, okay, you can write 1 minus x value also you can write t power n, dx value also you can write minus dt. This case is over. But what about these limits? Limits case also we have to see. Let us see limits there. When see these limits are belongs to x. When x is equal to, if x is equal to 0, t is equal to 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. Okay? Okay. If x is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. That means lower limit is 1, upper limit is 0. Okay. Always we are seeing like this only coming. Why? Because minus dt is there. Let us write this again. I am rewriting. You see, integral lower limit is 1 to upper limit is 0. X value is 1 minus t. 1 minus x value is t power n. Dx value is minus dt. Minus dt. First stop and analyze this. How it has come and all. Whether is it okay? Then we proceed further. Okay? Okay? Now you see, rather than doing first you send this inside. Why? Because here no power is there. T power n only. Okay? See, minus integral 1 to 0. Or else shall I take 0 to 1? Definitely I can take. Minus I want to remove. 0 to 1. 1 to 0 is going to become 0 to 1. Minus going to be removed. T power n minus t power n into t. T power n plus 1. T power n plus 1. T power n plus 1 dt. But you see this bracket you have to apply like this. Okay? Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you proceed further. Integration t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus t power n plus 1 plus 1, n plus 2. T power n plus 2, n plus 1 plus 1, n plus 2. But what about limit 0 to 1? If you observe carefully, lower limit you need not apply. Why? Because t 0 power something divided by 0 power divided by 0 divided by something 0 0. Lower limit you need not apply. Simply you write minus 0. Okay? Okay. Now proceed further. Then apply upper limit. 1 power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 0. If you apply 0, 0. Okay, this is over. Minus 1 power p power 1 power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 minus 0. Okay, and you keep this bracket. Okay, for this separate you have added upper limit to lower limit. For this also added upper limit and lower limit. Okay, see now 0 0 you need not consider, but you have to consider these values. So 1 power something is 1 only. 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 power something is 1 only. 1 by n plus 2. N plus 2. Over, no. You cross multiply. N plus 2 minus n plus 1. N plus 1 into n plus 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay? See, if you open bracket there, n plus 2 minus n minus 1. Write down here. N plus 2 minus n minus 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. See, n going to get cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. This will be the final answer for your 7th question. Okay, take this. We do one thing. We stop this class here. Why? Because total 21 questions are there. We have tried to finish 7 and succeeded. In the next 2 classes, we will try to complete this exercise. Okay? Thank you very much.